got them eyes looking through to the sunrise.
Yes, I woke up with a little friend today. Lovely. So for breakfast, I'm eating my favorite yogurt. This is amazing, and I just put some toppings: granola, blueberries, honey, chia seeds, and hemp hearts. Right now I'm watching Chris Clemens. He's the best.
It's too easy, man, it's plain to see. You're making my dreams come alive in the nighttime.
If you guys don't know who Chris Clemens is, please watch his videos. He's amazing. He's one of the only few influencers that is just real and just not dumb.
T-shirts and stuff. And one for you, Trump. No, I would never wish harm on my president. Ever. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I love him. Too soon. Okay. My next goal of today is to clean this area. Well, clean my whole room, but mostly this area. It's just a lot of junk that I don't need, but it's just there and it needs to go. So let's do this. Got this. Of course, I'll be watching Chris Clemens videos in the background. It's a rainy day today. So today's a day we're gonna try to organize and fix the situation. Let's do it.
Your body making room up in my memory.
Alright everyone. Completo. It's kind of clean. It's not 100%, it's like 95%. That's all I'm gonna do. I'm tired. But I actually found some white shirts and a white crew neck that I really want to tie-dye. Yeah, so these are the shirts I found that they're white, and I feel like putting some color will spice it up. This is a crew neck that I found. It's completely white and I really want to tie-dye them. So I think that's what we're going to do. But first, I'm going to make homemade oat milk for the first time since there's no milk at home and it's a rainy day. I don't feel like going out. Who knows, maybe later when it stops raining, because right now we're like in a tropical depression. I think that's what's called. But anyways, I have no milk for my matcha latte, so let's make some oat milk.
Baby, you're an angel. Baby, you're the one. Baby, you're the only girl that I could have.
So, I have a matcha, my homemade oat milk. Let's try it. Not bad. Really good. So I'm only just gonna tie-dye just 2 shirts. I was gonna tie-dye the rest, but I didn't feel like tie-dyeing the other ones because I feel like for the crew sweatshirt I want a different color. I really will like a gray color, and I don't have it. I only have like light green, magenta, blue, barely any pink, and just like this dark blue. So that's all my options I have. So that's why I decided just to do 2. So let's get started.
I can be your A1. for us. Baby, you're the only girl that I could ever love.
Alright guys, so I'm complete. So this is how they turned out. So I decided to do this one just this magenta color, and then this one just two different kinds of blue, a darker blue and a light blue. Dye has been such a huge trend. Look at my hands now. Ooh. Yeah, I tried to wash them, but it didn't work. It feels like it looks like I have like frostbite. My finger's about to fall off. But yeah, I'm actually gonna probably end the vlog here. I'm gonna go eat dinner now and just watch Netflix, and that's pretty much it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, this rainy day indoor vlog. It's literally been raining all day. Now I think it stopped. Yeah, it officially has stopped raining. So the storm probably is now leaving. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!